First of all, I must commend you for being a gentleman by honoring my invitation. You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Are you an Igbo man?
Of course I am. I am from Anambra State here.
You will believe with me that we Igbos have our culture and our belief system, which makes us unique. So permit me to ask.
Go ahead, Your Highness.
Do women share properties with men in your place?
Your Highness, if I pretend that I do not know where this question is coming from, then I will be a liar. You see, Your Highness, I was...
Go ahead and answer your call.
Okay, thank you, Your Highness. Hello? Yes? This is the barrister. Yes? Yes, it's the barrister. Who are you? Huh? That's my wife's voice. And my son. Okay, please, just don't do anything to them, please. Okay. Yes, right away. Please, don't harm them, please. Hey!
What is it? Organic.
This same issue. Jamike. My wife and my son have just been kidnapped. Hey!
This prodigal daughter. This daughter of Jezebel.
Igwe, please. I have to be on my way now, please. Hey!
What is happening? What is this?
Hey! Hello, sir. Sir? Yes, sir. I'm listening very, very attentively, sir. Sir? No, I'm already at the place. Once you drop this call now, I will get the documents and start coming. Even if you want me to get you all the property deeds, all of them, I'll just get all of them come. Just do with it whatever you want. Okay, sir. Just our own. Okay, sir. I'll bring it. Eh? Police? Am I mad? No. Ha! How can I be police? Ha! I beg, don't harm them. I beg, they are the only thing I have in this world. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I said I'm bringing them. I'm bringing them like this. Okay, I'll be waiting for your call. Okay, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Where are you now? Yes. Hello? Sir? Sir, I'll be here. No. I came alone. I didn't come with anybody. I came alone. Yes. The genuine one. I came with it. Genuine. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm with you. Hey, God. God, I commit my wife and my son into your hand. Please, God, let nothing happen to my family. You know, they are the only thing I have in this world. Please, save them. Save my wife and my son for me. Please come now. Sir? Sir? Are you the one I'm waiting for? Yes. It's me. Hand over the documents. Yes. What about my wife and my son?
Shut up!
Sorry, sir.
I said shut up!
Sorry.
How dare you?
No.
How dare you challenge me?
No, I don't dare. I don't challenge. No. Sorry, sir. I was just asking a question. Sorry, I can't challenge you.
Good.
I just want to know.
You will only see your family when I have confirmed that these documents are genuine and complete.
But you can confirm it now. Confirm it
You
now.
have to tell me. I'll find out myself.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Now, I have to leave now. Don't make any smart move. You have to sit your ass down here till I have left. If you make any move, trust me,
Sir.
be there.
I'll move.
I have my men all over everywhere. If you make any smart move,
No, sir. No.
I'll bless your head!
See, sending out the documents with this.
I will tell you.
They won't try me.
For where? They bought them.
I did this one, don't collect.
Ah, God. Come on. We too much. I said we too much.
Now make una be my cartel. Now make una be my cartel. Now make una remember. Una too sabi.
I believe you die. I believe you.
They mad. I go collect am I see.
More like this, eh? My heart just relax on top jaw.
See, anything we dey do here na preamble. We go put body for club. We party hard.
We party, man.
We party. See, we dey put body for club this night.
I got one club now.
I am everywhere.
I feel ground. Like this, eh? I want high, I want jogodo.
Okay, me.
Enough things.
Okay, me go maka.
Olugo ga.
Okay, me go maka.
Onyo odro mo that.
I thought your uncle was supposed to call you today and give you feedback on how the meeting went with the king and the lawyer.
Yes, I've been waiting for his call. Does it mean that the meeting didn't hold again?
I don't know.
Let me even call him. Hello, Uncle. Good evening, sir. I am fine. How about you? I've been waiting for you to call me about the outcome of the meeting. Didn't it hold? Kidnapped?
Kidnapped?
Jesus, how? Hey. Okay, I've heard you. All right, good night, sir.
Who was kidnapped?
Jamike kidnapped the lawyer's wife and son.
It's a lie.
Yes, he got a call and he took off.
Hey!
Wait, oh. Let it not be that he has handed over the documents to her.
Hi.
Ha! Let me call the lawyer.
No. I think we have to leave it tomorrow morning. It's already late. You go and see him in the office. Tomorrow morning is better.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's better that way.
Hi.
Look at the time now. It's already late.
Are you sure?
That's the best thing for us to do.
Hi. My inheritance. Jamike Bokwanubu.
My
inheritance.
Eh?
My inheritance.
And when he gave me, relax now, sweetheart. Nothing is going to happen.
I should not call him this night.
Don't worry. Relax. Just relax.
My inheritance. Barrister, I am truly sorry you had to go through that.
Well, it's an experience I wouldn't want to wish even my enemy. Well, I've learned my lessons. Next time I will have to discharge my duties without any sort of sentimental attachment. That is it.
But are you sure those kidnappers were sent by my own sister Jamike?
What do you mean, am I sure? Who else would have demanded for her share of the property deeds according to the will as a ransom? Who else?
I hope you didn't fall for her.
Are you joking? You mean I would have gambled with the life of my son and my wife? The only thing I have in this world?
Don't tell me you handed the documents to her.
Wait! Were you expecting me to risk the life of my wife and my son?
Are you serious right now? You handed the documents to my sister Jamike? No! Hey!
Your own share of the property deeds are here. Whenever you have time, come and collect your own. Imagine.
I will not get that document. I will commit murder and someone will go to jail.
You must come back with that document though. Don't fail to.
Stay clear.
What does she even think she is?
Hey! What's it? Move an inch! You're a dead woman!
I'm your sister.
You are not my sister! You are a deadly woman, but I will tell you that I'm more deadlier than you!
Bros, you won't shoot Bola. You won't kill Bola, like... Okay, what do you want? What do you want?
You know what I want.
Go in there and hand them over to me. Now!
What is happening here?
Shut up. Hey, shh, shh, shh. Listen!
Okay, I will bring it. I'll go.
I'll be right behind you. Move!
Has he got it? I'll go. Calm down now. They go so short.
Move! Hey!
I'll bring it.
Move! Now! Don't mess with me.
Calm down now. You know I'm your sister. Say for that same mother now. Okay?
Move! Move!
I will go.
Upstairs!
What I did to a sister. Why did you do this to your family? Mommy, where are you? The children are killing themselves because of inheritance.
I'm here for jobs! Huh? I am not here for jobs, right? Sunday! Open the gate!
Yes, sir.
Family war, family of war. Who will win at last? Ayaga tapisi manu. Family of war. One day come on. Who will win at last? If you go, you fail, you're a chocolate. Baba kaya. You went to be ratting your. No more peace, no more peace, no more love. And I'm here to go be more. No more peace, no more love at all. And I'm here to go be more. Family war, family of war. Who will win at last? Ayaga tapisi manu. Family of war. One day come on. Who will win at last? If you go, you fail, you're a chocolate. Baba kaya. You went to be ratting your. No more peace, no more peace, no more love at all. And I'm here to go be more. No more peace, no more peace, no more love at all. And I'm here to go be more. Hi, he went on no more. It you go be more. War fight.
Henceforth, do not open this gate for my sisters. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody, strange face, any strange car you see, call me. Take permission from me before you open that damn gate, whether night or day. Any day you flaunt this order, I will not only sack you, but I will kill you with this gun.
Yes, sir.
Go back to your post.
Are you back?
Do I look like a joke when I told you I was leaving?
And you came back with the document?
Woo! Yes, so I know the man I'm married. You don't go for around like himself. I wonder how he got there without
Oh my God, what is this? Oh, what is this, Father? Father, where are you? Mommy, where are you? Father, what have you done? What have you done to your family? What have you done? Why did you leave us? Why did you leave us? Instead of keeping up with your legacy, your children are here fighting themselves. they have done to perpetual enemies, oh Jesus. Oh God. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Is this how I'm going to survive? Oh God, is this how I'm going to survive?
This thing a fuck up. I think I fuck up with this now. Now big time fuck up. After everything we did to get those documents, we can fuck up with this now.
Nah, Makatuku, this one pay me reach my bone marrow. Guy.
See as I dey like this, something no dey just dey make sense. I just dey confused. I no understand how my own blood brother wey suckle breast give me go wan kpai me because of property after they go say na earthly things. Na because of that thing he wan kpai me, carry go put for my like I no believe am. I been think say na telemundo. Before I come see say na reality, I say shoo, you wan kill me. I no go take this thing, no guy. I no go take am. I no go dey inside water make soap go enter my eye. That one no go make sense.
Like this now, now war in don set like this. Total war. Like it don't blow war like this. I will start. And I'm ready for any kind of war wey they want to.
You see as I dey, get wetin I bin don promise myself. I say no matter how I be baller rich, I no go shed blood. I no go kpai person. Na wetin I just talk, I say I go just dey live soft life, dey go, dey ball based on who I be. But to kill person, I no go kpai person. But you see this thing when my brother do wey carry gun dey point me. That thing you don't make me, I don't change my mind. Because I no go sit down make they kpai me now. Do you understand? So as I dey like this, I no care. Any person wey stand for road, I go clear am, dey waka dey go. So make we find way, guy.
Just give us permission. Just say, oh yeah, go ahead. You go see play. Just give us permission. I will tell you just 1 year. We don't move.
See, may I give una the one testament, One commandment wey I wan give una be say any person, man, woman, wey try come stand my way. I no care wetin connect us, whether water, whether blood, make una waste time. Make una just kpai the person immediately. Before they kpai me.
You don't be as you talk am. Say no more. Say no more.
Madam, now you? Yeah, madam, no verse. Oga say make I no open gate for any of you.
Few months say she not open gate for me.
Yes, madam. Oga say if I open gate for you, he go shoot me with gun.
Are you serious?
Yes, madam.
Wait. Has it gotten to this extent that few months will say she not open the gate for me?
Madam.
Is it inside?
Yes, madam. It's inside.
Let me just call him first. He said they should not open the gate for me. He's not picking his calls. Are you serious? Hi, God. God, what is all this now? How can my brother say they should not open gate for me? How? How can you say I should not? How can you say they should not let me in now? What is this now? What is all this now? My God. What do I do now? God. He doesn't even know why I want to see him. Baby, please now. Why have you not been taking my call? You know what I'm going through now. You're still doing this to me.
No.
You think you can insult me and apologize at will and expect me to forgive you?
Maybe I'm sorry. Maybe, please. But you know you're the one being unreasonable here.
Did you just say unreasonable? You've been the one being unreasonable here. How can you accept to do away with your father's will? Simply because your brother is not happy with it. Who does that?
Baby, please. Can we just go on with our relationship without this will? Let's just go on and forget this will, please.
We should go on with what? Relationship and no will. There is no relationship without the will now. See the will, see the relationship. They work hand in hand. My hard work for years. You just wake up one day and you decided, no now. As long as there is no will, I have to, no, I can't do this.
I don't understand.
I can't do this anymore.
No, I don't understand. Make me understand, please. Please, let me just understand. Is our relationship centered on the will?
Yes! The will is our relationship.
Oh,
as long as the will is out of it. In the same way, I am out of here. Okay? Just go, live your life. Do whatever you want to do with your father's will. Let me go and live my life. Can you bambo? Or give me this.
So it's all about my father's wealth. I can't believe this. So it's all about my father's wealth. Oh God. God, how do I survive this? I love him so much, even though he never loved me. It was all about my father's wealth all along. The worst part of it is that I've built my whole world around him. God, I can't survive this. Oh, I can't survive this. I can't survive this.
God, please help us. God, please help.
Now, what is the problem? Why are you crying? Waiting the song. Waiting be the problem now. Why are you crying?
Why are both of you bent on breaking my heart? Why our parents are no more? The only people I can call family are they fighting themselves like enemies. Why? What is wealth? What is money and properties that you people cannot let go?
So wait first. So this is the reason you are crying? Eh?
Please, each time I see you people talk to yourself as if people are enemies.
My dear, I'm not fighting anybody. I'm only fighting for my rights that my father willed to me.
Okay, well, let me ask you. This property you're fighting for now, will you take them to your husband's house?
I've told you severally that everybody must not marry. I must not get married.
Even if you don't want to get married, if you leave this world, who will you leave these properties for? Don't you know you will leave this world one day?
Ojugomaka, him, if he leave this world, who is he going to leave it for? I'm asking you. Like, can't you go there before you leave? Let me hold it and enjoy it when I will now leave the world. That should be when I get old, though, because I will age gracefully. All these things you are doing, if you are crying because I'm fighting my rights, looking for my own rights, I can get back.
Please give this property for him, please.
As what? Because I'm a woman. Oh, will he treat me? Would he have acted the way he's acting if I was a man? It was in your presence that he almost shot me dead. Did you not see him point that gun at me? What did you do? See, China, let me tell you something. You see, it cannot bear anything. It cannot be the baby when you have not started. If not this thing they make you cry, you better begin cry. Begin shout. Tiwempu, because I must collect my rights. Raise your voice. You go to roll everywhere and then happen academy make emotion. Oh yeah, get our room one.
Chinyera Obitaro for the mirror. Chinyera Obitaro for the mirror.
Oh God, I'm just tired of all this. I'm tired. The only people I call family fighting over properties. They've become enemies, fighting themselves because of properties. I don't even know how our parents will be feeling right now wherever they are. They're fighting over properties, forgetting that my father's legacy is more important than his property.
My daughter, it's okay. Stop crying. You cannot cry your soul out.
Oh, I can't stop crying, Uncle. I can't stop crying. The pain is too much for me to bear. I can't stop crying.
I know how you feel. I will come to the city tomorrow and settle this once and for all. It's a promise. So stop crying. Oh? Stop crying.
What a bullshit! When you make a thing, maybe you wow, one more. If you spoil this word, you must pay me money. You mad? Word where they sweet like sugar. But I got land, it's nothing they saw. I didn't get. But I see you. Okay. Hey, Mugu! Why you look like that? I can't feel anything. I got land. Nothing they happen.
Sister, you're back.
Okay,
I actually wanted to discuss something.
See. This discussion, if not about my inheritance, you no go work. As a matter of fact, I don't want to hear anything wey concern my inheritance because you see that my inheritance, I don't get am finish. Come they talk how I take get am mabas, makachi. Don't want to discuss anything, I beg. You see, that's your brother. Film na wicked. See. You know, as you dey like this, I love you. You be my sister. We be say, I hurt you. I know they like make you the verse, but you see this matter, comot mouth. My inheritance, I go get them. I go collect them now. I know be mugo. You just Kelly time now. I know. Bad now.
Sister, it's not about it. I won't talk about it.
It's about getting again. It's about what?
Uncle Damien is coming tomorrow to have a meeting with us.
What did you say? I did not hear you. Say it again.
I said Uncle Damien is coming tomorrow morning to have a meeting with us.
I don't want to see those scavengers. I can't even be in the same roof with them. And going forward, if I just meet Fiomon anyway, is it that he kills me? Oh, personally, I will kill him. I don't care about anybody. But talking from my inheritance,
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you breaking my heart? What have I done to deserve this from my family and my parents? Will I survive this? No, I can't. No, I can't survive this. No.
While you were here, I was even coming to ask you what to prepare since you see Uncle Damien is coming this morning. Madam, this one you are here, hope all is well. Madam. 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 Hey! Sunday!
What be that?
Sunday!
What be that? I don't know why this guy will shout my name and say person died. Even though say person died.
Hey! Hey! Oh!
Meeting you talk, say wetin happen. Naya? Girl, stand up. Wetin happen? Naya, no dey act this thing where you dey act now. Stand up now, beg. I no get time for drama. Wetin you say? Naya, beg, stand up now. Which kind of play be this way you dey play? You know they follow person they play expensive play, beg. You know they hear wetin I dey tell you. Naya?
So many times I have attempted suicide. So many times a hope rises in me that the storm will be over someday. But as the day goes by, I found out that the hopes are false hopes. You and Brother Philemon are not about to forgive each other. Instead of waiting till you people kill each other, let me die first, because the pain is better imagined than experienced. I better watch you with mommy and daddy from the world beyond. After all, my 5 years relationship ended because of this same issue. I lost the man I loved so much. The man I hope to build a future with, all because of this same issue.
Don't do this thing to me.
There is nothing left for me to live for anymore.
Yeah, I won't even take you my own brother. I can't do such. I was joking.
Goodbye, Jamike.
I just wanted to get
I love you so much.
Please don't do this to me. You know how much I love you. This way. You know, I cannot intentionally do anything that hurts you. I'm a comebacker.
God, please help us. God, please help.
Sweetheart, are you still sleeping?
No.
I thought you were supposed to have a meeting with your uncle today at the family house.
Oh. What's the time?
It's past 9.
Alright, the distance from the village to this town by the time my uncle will get here. There's still time for me. So, are you done with the phone?
No, your sister wouldn't allow me. She's been calling non-stop.
Well, I've picked the call. They are calling because of the meeting today.
I don't think so. She has been calling. It's not even Nenye, it's Jamike calling.
Jamike called my phone.
Yes.
When did that one start?
I don't know. She's calling again.
Don't know when this one started.
She's calling my own phone.
What kind of madness is this?
I don't know.
Pick it. Put it on loudspeaker.
Hello?
They call your husband, he's not taking my call. Nene is acting up, he just committed suicide now. Tell him to start coming to the house. I don't know what they do, Nene. He like say Nene, no, she took poison. Let him go. Nene cannot die. She cannot die, you understand? Nene, you know what feel good now. How you gonna do me this? How you gonna do
Jesus.
Well, sweetheart, where are you going now? Don't tell me you are falling for this.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
This girl is suspicious. She might have sent her boys out there and they are waiting for you.
Right. But even at that, we have meeting today and I have to go.
You can't go for that meeting. Not at all. Please. I don't want you to go for the meeting anymore.
Do you want me to disrespect my uncle?
If that's what you have to do. At this point, can't you read the handwriting on the wall? You are not going anywhere.
Alright, let me call her here.
God. No. Wait. I feel more. See, no be time to quarrel with this. No be the time. I don't know what they do there. She don't die for years. She take poison, they come out. Now me they talk. They come out. God.
Hello?
I'm not convinced though. Not at all. Call your uncle first, Phil. Call your uncle. Call your uncle now. Let's confirm first.
Alright, let me call uncle.
I beg you, so good they come at me. I didn't ready to go to the meeting. I beg.
What is going on here? Jesus!
Uncle.
What are you doing? Let's take her to the hospital straight. She might still survive. What are you doing? Let's take her to the hospital.
Father, do not do this to me.
Fremont!
Where are you? We are rushing her to the hospital. Don't come to the house.
Go to the hospital straight.
Uncle, cut phone. Let's go. Let's go. My sister cannot die like this. So, you're going to go tomorrow. I'm going to take a video.
Hold her here.
Hey, I'm finished too. I'm finished. Hey, thank you. I'm finished.
Where are you going now? Won't you brush your teeth? It's not even a bath. Oh!
Please wake up. Oh, my dearest sister, don't do this to me. Please, don't break my heart. I was confused. I wasn't thinking straight. The only thing that came to my mind was to call Brother Philmon, which I did immediately. He was not picking. I called the wife. I explained the situation to the wife. He still did not come. The next thing, he started calling the young's phone. I picked the phone. I told him the situation. I don't see him more.
The doctor said, had it been that you brought her 30 minutes earlier, she wouldn't have died. What you would have done first was to bring her here.
I don't know. Huh? I don't know.
What you have done first is to bring her here. Where went you thinking?
Sorry, man, don't do this to me. You know how much I love you. Uncle, please stay her to wake up now. Stay her to wake up. I don't know. I didn't do this to me.
What's going on here?
Fremont, nothing. Other than both of you have killed your sister in your quest for inheritance.
No.
Take it.
No.
Yeah, this was not the plan. This was not the plan.
Hey! Naya! Hey! Oh God! Hey! Why now? Why?
What have I done? What have I done? What is this? What am I going to tell my mother? Ah, God. Let me give this one, though. If you had given me a hint of what you were about to do, Magachi, I would have left the property for this beautiful. Okay, we can talk one. Okay, we can talk. Okay, more. Please, I'm sorry. This was not the plan. This was not the plan.
Nema, what is it? Why are you crying? Did anybody beat you?
I was playing ball inside our compound. The ball flew over. I went to ring it. Chukebuka and his brother beat me and collected my ball.
Wait. Do you mean that Chukwuebuka beat you?
With his brother.
Take this ice cream. I bought it for you. I'm coming right away. Chukwuebuka, so this is true. You hit my sister and collected her ball. So give me that ball now. 1, 2.
It's our ball. We were playing it and it fell into your compound that day. Your daddy did not allow us to collect the ball. So we have taken our ball.
Liar. The ball that my mommy bought for me and my sister yesterday. You said it's your own. Chukwuebuka, you are looking for my trouble. Hey.
So where is the ball that fell into your compound that day?
Chukwuebuka, give me that ball now, 1. Give me that ball now, 2. Give me that ball, 3. Give me that ball. Try it now. Nonsense, foolish boy.
Just because somebody has been collecting somebody's ball. No worry now, collect it back. No worry now. Collect the ball. I'll collect it back, no worry. I'll beat your sister again and collect it back.
Mama, here's your book. Next time anyone's looking for your trouble, tell me. Whether boy or girl, I will beat the person. Take.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. I'm performing my duties as your elder sister. It is my duty to protect you.
Mommy, please.
Hey, you are playing with me. My friend, open this your hand. Open your hands.
Please, I won't do it again.
You see this your tactics, eh? It's not going to work today. I say open your hand. Should I give it to you on your head?
Mommy, please, nah. She said she won't do it again.
And so what? That will not stop me from flogging her today. I must beat this girl.
Alright, flog me. I will take the punishment on her behalf. Please leave her and flog me.
Ask who? Her Messiah. Why would I flog you?
Is she not my younger sister? Can't I take bullets from my younger sister again?
Did you know how many strokes of the cane I want to give her?
No
Do you
matter
know?
the number, I'm ready to take it.
I'm going to flog you 36 strokes of this cane. Oh. Madam, Nenye, are you listening to me? See, just thank your stars. Your sister here has saved you today. But if you try that nonsense again with me, if you try that rubbish, you will see what I will do to you. And both of you, get out. Jamike and Chinenye, I love what just played out there a moment ago. The unity, the bond, the love between both of you. And I want you to continue like that. Do not allow any stranger to tear you apart. Jamike.
Yes, Mommy.
Nenyenwa here is your only sister. Fremont is a boy. He may not be there all the time. So both of you are always together. Please, always take good care of her. Protect her against any external forces.
Mommy, I promise you that I will always be my sister's keeper.
Very good. And Chinenye, always respect her. Okay? She's the only sister you have. Let that love continue. Do you hear me?
Yes,
Very
Mommy.
good. Alright, I'll go and do your assignment.
Okay, Mommy. Mama, take this.
Thank you.
Don't spoil it though. Do you hear me? I'm good.
Give me back. Give me back. I'll grab that, sister.
Nama, why is your face like this?
Brother Phil took the kite from me.
He took the kite from you?
Yes.
Why now?
Nothing. He just took it and started playing with it.
Let's go. Why did you collect my sister's kite? Am I not talking to you? Why did you collect my sister's kite? Give me the kite. Now I want to take it.
Thank you. Is that why you pushed me? Eh? Eh?
happening here? Eh?
Mommy, the kite I gave to Neon, he collected it and started playing with it.
And so? What happened?
I came and was telling him he did not even talk to me.
Jamike, why did you push him? Why did you come to report to me? Eh? Have I not warned you several times to stop fighting like a boy? Eh? Why didn't you report to me?
It was the one that first looked for our trouble.
Philmond, they are your sisters. You are the boy here. You should be protecting them, not fighting them.
Every time she will be fighting me as if she's my mate.
How many times will I tell you that? Eh? Why will you be fighting your sisters? You should protect them against external forces, not fight them. See, if this repeats itself again, you people will not like what I will do. Did you hear me? Okay. Is that clear? Yes, ma'am. Every time fight. What's all this? You, all of you. Did you hear what I said?
Yes. Please, we just took this drastic decision, my dearest sister. Don't do this to me.
Father,
please, don't break my heart.
I'm sorry.
I was fighting.
I'm sorry I didn't keep to my promise.
If you leave me, I will die.
Feel mourned, Father.
Place your hand on my forehead. Do it. You know, I have few more days to live. And I want you to know that you will be all that your sisters have when I'm gone. Their mother is no more. So, I want you to be both mother and father to them. I want you to promise me that you will protect your sisters after I might have left.
Father, but
Philmont, do what I ask you to do.
All right, Father. I promise you this day that I will protect my sisters with everything in me.
Hi. It's all right. It's okay. You have cried enough. And crying will not make any difference. What you have to do now is to learn from her death.
Babu kata obuchuba mwabialo wana ba. Habu kwa mewe chuba mwabialo wana ba. Ejana bisije. Ejana o. Isi mama mtoka nezi. Obiali jamuna. Ejana bisije. Ejana o. Isi mama mtoka nezi. Isi mama mtoka nezi. Omete ya bulu. Omete bulu. Omete bulu. Oya kanya ya bulu nyaya ya kunabo. Omete bulu. Imata kwa kipale nyaya. Back to say no, it's not about prayer. He that seek for my life will bear with his own life. He will bear with his own life. Oge jindu ya wetu otuo. Oge jisi ya wenuzela miyo. know they look for troubles, but if you carry troubles come, you must collect. Not my blood. My head is bigger than your sacrifice. Not my head, yo. It's so for my to PTAC. I got the one you jimba and the mochi. You love to say no now one the more bofu. Babu kata what you about my bello on about. Habu kwa me what you about my bello on about. Ejana BCJ. Ejana. You see my mom to Panesi. Obiali jamuna. Ejana BCJ. Ejana. You see my mom to Panesi. You see my mom to Panesi. Ometaya pulua. Ometaya pulua. Ometaya pulua. Oya maya pulua ya ya kunaba. Ometaya pulua. Imata kwa kipalinga ya hapa na kwa. Ometaya pulua. Ometaya pulua.